Welcome to the 2017 edition of the National Science and Math Quiz. Today we bring you the 22nd 1A stage contest, which features St. Hubert Minor Seminary Senior High School, Zebilla Senior High Technical School, and Chemu Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Zebilla Senior High Technical School. Zebilla Senior High Technical School is represented by
Akurugo Asiwe Johnson.
Idris Mashood, final year.
Again.
Idris Mashood, final year.
In the Boku West District, this in Upper East. It was established in 1982, and our motto is Yamdan Kuboruge, which means that
with the National Science and Math. St. Hubert Minor. Right. So what has happened since we last saw you last year?
For this year's competition, and by the grace of God, we are here today.
Okay. You prepared. How did you prepare?
We just learned and we prayed as well, and that's all we did.
Okay. Expectations for today?
God is in control.
Okay. Best wishes to you.
Okay, thank you.
Chemu Senior High School. Chemu Senior High School is represented by
final year.
Shambak Sobin, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you doing?
We are fine.
Good. Chemu Senior High School. Can you tell us a little bit about Chemu Senior High School?
Okay, madam. Chemu Senior High School was established in 1982, and it is situated at Tema Community 4, and the motto of our school is discipline and hard work.
All right. And your experience with the National Science and Math Quiz so far this year?
Yeah, it's been a good experience, and we are building on what we learn every stage.
All right. So the last stage, the prelims, what happened there?
At the preliminary stage, we met at Dontin Senior High and Kweho Ridge Senior High Technical School. And unfortunately, we were beaten by Kweho Ridge Senior High Technical School, but God being so good, we were part of the top 18 scoring schools, and we are back.
Good. Yes. What shall we expect from you?
Nothing but the best, and we are bringing fire.
Bringing fire. Okay. Best wishes to you then. Hey, we have met the contestants. Some are calling on fire, others are going to beat. The violence is too much. But we'll find out what happens. Before I sit down, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also supported by TIGO, GOL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. We are produced by Primetime. My name is Dr. Elsie Ifa Kaufman. I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Biomedical Engineering, University of Ghana, and I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. The round has simple, direct questions to which I'm expecting simple and direct responses. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If the answer is right, a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present your answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds to present that answer. All questions, all of them, are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to start with Zebilla. Your question. State the type of forces that we should expect in solid glucose. Yes, Asibi.
Van der Waals forces.
I'm not going to accept that for a bonus. Bonus. Incorrect. When I get
Body that infects the organism.
I'll give you is for the post in water, not spinning the yes, Asibi.
100. It will be 100 kilogram meter per second.
No, that's incorrect. Yes, St. Hubert.
100 Newton meter.
Yes. But St. Hubert, I'm giving you a warning. If a school is still in the process of giving their answer and I'm still in the process of listening to them and you disturb, next time it will be a penalty point. Chemu, what is the time in which a steady 50 Newton meter torque can stop a rotating object of angular momentum 500 joules second? Yes, which of you? Shambak.
10 seconds.
Yes. If you both raise your hands, I am at liberty to call either. Say, Hubert, find the magnitude of the torque which increases the angular momentum of an object from 2 joules second to 12 joules second in 5 seconds. Yes, Philemon.
Newton meter. 2 Newton meter.
Yes. Which of you? Yes.
2CO plus 4SO2.
You're right. Chemu. Phosgene formula COCl2 is a highly poisonous gas. It reacts slowly with water to give carbonic acid and HCl. Please give me a balanced equation for the reaction. Yes, Shambak.
Okay, the balance equation is COCl2 plus 2H2O, giving you H2CO3 plus 2HCl.
You're right. Say, Hubert, iron 3 hydroxide reacts with hydrogen sulfide to give iron 3 sulfide and water. Please give a balanced equation for the reaction. That's incorrect. Question with the same preamble. Inferior or epigynous ovary? Yes, Shambak.
Okay, refers to an ovary which is situated below the other floral parts.
Okay. Say, Hubert, staminate. Yes, Philemon.
A staminate flower is a flower that has only male parts and the male part developing before the female part.
I'm going to give you 2. You should have stopped while you were ahead. Because it's a flower that contains only the male part. Last set of questions for the round comes with a preamble, and you have 30 seconds. Preamble to all schools. A 6.0 times 10 raised to the power 14 Hertz photon ejects an electron of kinetic energy 3.2 times 10 raised to the power negative 20 joule from the surface of a photocathode. Please, did you get your preamble? Okay, I'm repeating the preamble. A 6.0 times 10 raised to the power 14 Hertz photon ejects an electron of kinetic energy 3.2 times 10 raised to the power negative 20 joule from the surface of a photocathode. Now, Zebilla. What is the kinetic energy of an electron ejected from the surface of the photocathode by a 7.5 times 10 raised to the power 14 hertz photon. For a bonus, the right answer is 1.3 times 10 raised to the power negative 19 joule. Chemu with the same preamble. What is the frequency of the photon which ejects an electron of kinetic energy 6.4 times 10 raised to the power negative 20 joule from the surface of the photocathode? Yes, Shambach.
3 times 10 to the power 14 hertz.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Philemon.
1.2 times 10 to the power 15 hertz.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 6.5 times 10 to the power 14 hertz. Your major question and the last question of the round with the same preamble, St. Hubert. What is the kinetic energy of an electron ejected from the surface of the photocathode by a 6.5 times 10 raised to the power 14 hertz photon? Philemon.
1.67 times 10 to the power negative 21 joules.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. The right answer is 6.5 times 10 to the power negative 20 joules. And that's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Zebilla Senior High Technical School has 3 points. Chemu Senior High School has 17 points. St. Hubert Minor Seminary Senior High School has 21 points. We have a long way to go. 4 more rounds. Round 2. This round is also known as the speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools simultaneously. For an opportunity to answer a question, you need to ring for it. May I hear your bell, Zebilla? Yours, St. Hubert. Yours, Chemu. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. If you attempt to answer a question and you are unsuccessful, you lose a precious point. For questions that require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds in which you have to present that answer you have. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to present your answer. Do you have a problem with your bell? No? Okay. Best wishes, everyone. For the first set of questions, you have 30 seconds each. Question 1. Find the radius of a charged metal sphere of charge 50 microcoulomb and of potential 9 kilovolts. Yes, Nakwa.
50 meters.
You're right. Next question. What is the time constant of an RC circuit with R equals 10 ohms and C equals 20 microfarads? Yes, Nakwa.
200 microseconds.
You're right. Next one. Determine the change in kinetic energy of a 5-kilogram object whose linear momentum changes from 12 newtons second to 2 newtons second in 20 seconds. Yes, Shambak.
200 joules.
That's incorrect. Did they make it? Go ahead. Yes, Philemon.
14 joules.
No. This is painful because the right answer is negative 14 joules. Seed dormancy.
Seed dormancy refers to the rest.
All conditions are favorable. Yes, Shambak. For the next set, you have 30 seconds. Ethanol species that will be present for Cl. Okay. The concentrations of NH3 or NH4 plus or Cl minus is the same. 0.036 mole per decimeter cubed, and the type of solution is a buffer because we have a weak base and it's conjugate acid. Last question for the round, 30 seconds. Consider the following half cells with their corresponding electrode potentials. MnO4 minus, MnO2, OH minus, /PT, 0.59 volts. Fe3 plus, Fe2 plus, /PT, 0.77 volts. Determine if the following redox reaction is possible. And the reaction is MnO4 minus plus 3 Fe2 plus 2 H2O going to MnO2 plus 3 Fe3 plus 4 OH minus. Please. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, madam. The reaction is not feasible, and the net EMF is negative 0.15 volts.
I can't give you. So I continue. Give your reason. Yes, Philemon.
The reaction is not feasible. This is because the net EMF will be negative 0.18 volts.
Yes. That's the end of the second round. All right, keep them covered until I ask you to turn them over, and do not begin until I ask you to. To avoid temptation, please put all pens down. At the end of the second round, Zebilla Senior High Technical School has 2 points. St. Hubert Minor Seminary Senior High School has 23 points. Chemu Senior High School has 29 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes in which to present an answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Now, let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Pens down, please. Problem of the day. KMNO4 is a powerful oxidizing agent which can operate either under acidic condition or basic condition. Consider the following electrode potentials. Fe3 plus Fe2 plus/PT, 0.77 volts. MnO4 minus, MnO2 OH minus/PT, 0.59 volts. MnO4 minus, Mn2 plus, H plus/PT, 1.49 volts. 1. Write balanced equations for the oxidation of Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus by MnO4 minus under acidic condition and under basic condition by showing the half reactions. 2. Use the electrode potentials provided to determine under which condition the oxidation is possible. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and present your answers. volts. It's a condition. There's something there, but I don't understand it. I'm giving you one point on humanitarian grounds. Chemu, you had a lot of difficulty with this submission, and the only point I could find to give, right, iron 2 plus going to iron, so I can't give you anything else. You were able to condition do life insurance, Accra. Is right, 2 4 points, voltage and current. Yes, Philemon.
False.
Yes. Oh no. Dilute NaOH. Listen carefully. Go ahead. Well, and we are still at the 1A stage of time. Thank you for joining us for this contest, and see you next time. Bye.